This week we're going to highlight the latest crop condition and progress reports from the USDA. We're also going to take a look at the latest short-term weather trends as harvest gets underway. We're going to wrap things up looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into September, and of course that means it's time for early corn harvest. Before we talk about that, however, let's take a look at the latest crop condition index from the USDA. The latest ratings here are unchanged at 65% good to excellent compared to a week ago. Notice, however, last year we were only at 53% good to excellent. Now we saw some deterioration in the latest week up in North Dakota, South Dakota, and as well as Nebraska. Now we did see some improvement, however, in Minnesota, Missouri. We also saw some improvement there in Kansas. Let's take a look at the history of the crop condition index. Notice after a season low last week, we saw that index edge ever so slightly higher. It's at the second highest level for this time of year over the last 8 years. Let's now take a look at crop progress. Now as we move into September here, we're going to focus on corn maturity. As of the 1st of September, we are at 19% corn mature. That's one of the fastest pace we've seen in recent years. Now, over the next 2 weeks, as we highlight now, corn mature increases approximately 25% between September 1st and the 15th. So around the middle of the month here, weather permitting, we're looking at about 40 to 45% of the corn will be mature and safe from frost. Let's focus in on the weather now. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-storm weather. We're starting out here looking to the last 30 days. Notice we've seen some divergence up there in North Dakota, South Dakota. It's been a bit wetter than normal. Now as we move further south and east, Nebraska has been a little bit drier than normal, and particularly that southern part of the Corn Belt has been quite dry. Let's now take a look at the short-term forecast. Now we're looking here at a change in the pattern around Thursday or so of this week to a much cooler than normal temperature pattern. All across that light blue area, it's going to be very cool, probably all the way through the weekend. Now, as we move forward through Sunday through Tuesday, it's going to change again. All across that orange area, it's going to warm up to be very warm. How about precip totals? Now, in association with that warmer weather, mostly going to be very dry here over the next 10 to 14 days. Not much rainfall in that forecast. Let's quantify rainfall in that forecast now over the next 14 days. We're looking at a map here. As you can see, nearly the entire Corn Belt is going to be dry, or in some cases intensely dry. Now, of course, as we move into September here, of course, that means it's going to be good harvest weather. So we'll keep an eye on this for you, but it looks like at least through the middle of September, as we look at early corn harvest, there's going to be some good opportunities to get started. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn futures. And December corn, as we tape here on Tuesday, has rebounded a bit up to $4.10 a bushel. Notice here, though, even between the 1st of September and all the way through that crop insurance period of October, we can still see some price volatility. That's why we strongly encourage you to continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.